Quick programming note. Ryobi Days Shipment number 3 coming up in just a few moments. I wanted to share one thing that I did end up getting, the spade bit set, because we actually went to Home Depot today, had to get some other things, so I got this, so I'm looking forward to testing those too. Keep in mind that all the openings going on in these videos, we're going to get down to the nitty and gritty and test each and every one of these things. This is just basically unboxing the Home Depot box to show my haul, and then I'm going to open each one. As a matter of fact, this I'm filming after the opening video because I had an emergency opening because I had to actually use something in the box that you're going to see. On to Ryobi Days Shipment number 3. Day 3. My UPS guy arrived early. I'm very excited. Shipment number 3. Hopefully everything's in here. This box is not in great condition. The bottom was, it's actually more than half open, and you can tell it's tattered, but I'm hoping everything's in here because this is it. This is the big one. But you know what? If this gets 1,000 likes, I might buy more Home Depot stuff to unbox for you guys. Or, you know what? It might be DPO. It might be something else, but hopefully with quick shipping. Okay! I am sorry about the delay. It's shipment 3. I like the little bit of anticipation. Okay. Okay. It's gonna be some firsts in here. A little disappointed in the paper on this third one. It's not got any reddish tinge at all. Low quality. Okay. It's the drill bit set. Okay, the round shank black oxide drill bit set. Now, I've seen other people with videos of Ryobi Days, and they're talking 15 bucks, 14 something for these. Like all these sets that have been coming out. And I don't know if it was a glitch or a one-day thing, or if it's still that price. I haven't looked it up. I should have before this video, but we got these for under 10 bucks. They're like 9 something. I don't know, $9.97, $9.79. I don't know. But they were under $10. So like the one and part 2 and these drill bits and the set with the spade bit. Now what I didn't see online, and this is nice, oh man, that's got more nut drivers, but they've got one like this. I don't know if it's in the hard case like this or if it's in the, well, they're both hard cases, but this is like a transparent hard case. This is one that folds. But anyway, I know that they have another one that's got actually 2 sockets in it, 2 impact sockets. I don't know if it's just an impact set, but it also had the 1/2 inch, like the set yesterday had the 1/4 and 3/8 socket drivers that are 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch hex to socket driver. Anyway, they have one that has the 1/2 inch, and it also has, I think there's a mower coming. I'm gonna compete with the mower. This is very exciting. Okay, so anyway, we got the 2 sets. We got the 2 4-amp hour batteries, and they got the free tool. This was the $100 deal, $99 for 2 4-amp hour batteries and a free tool. And the free tool I chose is the normally $189 sander thing. It's actually a ponceau à coller something. Variable speed dial. Maybe that's what I said in the other language. Yeah. So this is the little belt sander. I'm going to use this. You guys can tell me if I'm wrong, but I'm going to use this to sharpen knives and blades and things that you would use a flat disc for. Okay, maybe. I don't know how that works, but you're learning with me. That's the whole point. Okay, so this is the HP batteries, the 6, 4, and 2 amp hour. Yeah, the high performance batteries. There's 3 of them in there with the charger. Those 2 came with the charger, so now I'm up to 8 chargers. I'm gonna have one in every room of the house. It's lovely. This is the free tool with those. My first impact driver, or impact wrench. I had drivers, but this is my first impact wrench. And I already ordered something else we're gonna go over that's an attachment for this. That's gonna be fun. But man, my first impact wrench is a mid-torque, which is what I was hoping for. We're gonna do a lot with this. We're gonna get into some mischief. So thanks for joining me. The weed eaters are out today. We really appreciate you. Thanks for learning with me. Bye.